Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. Today we will see some other questions for CSIR NET GRF. So here is our first question, and it is saying that the peak radiation from the sun is 0.48 micrometer. Then what is the corresponding temperature of the sun? So this question will be solved with the help of Wien's law, which states that temperature is equal to B divided by lambda max, where lambda max is the peak radiation which is given 0.48 micrometer and B is constant, its value is 2989, sorry, its value is 2898. Okay, its value is 2898 micrometer Kelvin. Okay, so we will put this value divided by 0.48 and finally we will get the temperature something around 6000 Kelvin. Okay, so here first option will be our right answer. Then let's see another question, which is the temperature Kelvin scale contains. Now as we know that the Celsius our scale, which is 0 degree Celsius the freezing point, 100 degree Celsius the boiling point. So the Celsius scale contains the positive values 0 and the negative values, but when we talk about the Kelvin values, which is denoted by the symbol K, it has no negative numbers. Okay, so third option will be our right answer. Now how? The 0 degree temperature on Celsius scale is something around 273.15 in Kelvin scale. Now Kelvin scale, when we goes downward or when we decrease temperature, it can go up to 0 degree Kelvin. At this temperature, the energy, molecule energy will becomes at its minimum point. Whatever minimum energy can be there, it will be at 0 degree Kelvin. Now, so it cannot go beyond this or less than this. So it doesn't contain any negative numbers. Third option is our right answer. Then another question is the cycle of sunspot maxima having the same polarity is referred to as. Now there are two terms are given. First is the sunspot maxima, another is same polarity. So if we talk about the only sunspot maxima, it is 11-year cycle. Okay, but what happened during this 11-year? The magnetic reversal also occurred. So let us consider that this is our sun and here we have the sunspot. So after the 11-year, let us consider the polarity is something like this. So after 11-year, the polarity will be reversed. So you have the sunspot maxima after 11 years, but the polarity is not the same. So again after 11 years, there will be sunspot maxima or solar maxima, and the polarity will reverse to this. So from here to here, we have spent 22 years. Okay, so this is 11 years and this is 11 years. Completely we have 22 years. So B option will be our right answer. Okay, so keep in mind about the sunspot maxima and the polarity also. Okay, I am going to make another video on the sunspot cycles, in which we will talk how this sunspot cycle is related to the little ice age occurred in the quaternary period. Okay, so let us see here our next question. Presence of stishovite in a rock indicates. So as you know, this is the high pressure variety of quartz. So high pressure quartz is found when there is high pressure and less temperature. So this is mainly especially the vicinity of meteorite impact craters. Okay, so whenever there is meteorite impact, it will generate a high grade pressure. So high pressure minerals will be formed just like the stishovite. Then another question is, in the basaltic rocks, alteration of the outer iron rich rim of olivine produced brownish red mineral is called. So this whenever the basaltic rocks got altered, the olivine converts into the brownish red mineral, and this brownish red mineral is known as the edensite. Now, when I was in my graduation of Sagar University, I have seen this edensite very well. So, if you are belongs to the Sagar University, just walk anywhere in the whole university, you will find the basaltic rocks. So, just put up a small piece of rock and you will get brownish red mineral edensite, which will stuck in your hand. Okay, so this is your edensite. So it's all about for today. If you want the PDF of this video, just join our Telegram channel. Simply go into the search box, type Geologica 2020 and you will get our channel. If you want to contact me through the Instagram, this is my Instagram ID. You can check it out. Okay, thank you.